Hello, I'm Eddie and this is Forex Clubhouse, and on today's video I'm going to show you the easiest Forex trading strategies to use when day trading by showing you my volatility 75 index analysis. So getting started, I'm going to mark this price movement that has occurred in the last 24 hours. Since we are day traders, we concentrate on what's happening in the last 24 hours only, as it helps us to filter out all the noise that occurred in the past. By marking this price movement, we come to notice that the price has been falling to the downside, hence making this what's happening right here to be a downtrend. And since we know that a downtrend market moves by making series of lower highs and lower lows, and again, we know that for a downtrend market to end, the previous lower high has to be broken by a full body candlestick and not only the wicks. So looking at the price on the charts, I mark the previous low high of this downtrend and observe how the price has been moving around this level right here. And I see that all the times that the market came to retest to this level right here, it failed both times by providing these weak rejections on this level. This shows us that the sellers are still strong at the moment and the buyers have no chance on winning this trend. Now, since the price is on the level once again, I came to see that this is my opportunity to enter onto this trade. But first, we must identify our risk, because we must risk what we can afford to lose per day since we are day traders. So if it is not worth it, we ignore the trade, as simple as that. And the reasonable area to place any stop loss is on above or below the weak rejections depending on the trend. But since this is a downtrend, the reasonable area to press the stop loss is on this weak rejection right here. So here is where my stop loss will be, and I go and press the trade, as simple as that.
A few moments later. 2 hours later.
Guys and girls, if you're interested to join your fellow community of traders, on the description below you will find a link to the Telegram group for you to join. Now don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Happy trading.